everyone. Today is go as far as you can see with you, and I will share with you how to eliminate all these fancy scratches that you have on your handles and on your vehicle anywhere around. For these I use some great items. This is specifically made for aluminum polish, so that's for the wheels. I'm using for this for many purposes. This is a very nice component by Meguiar, so it's a very good one, but I don't use one. I use it for separate purposes. I'm use this material. It's a newer, not remember the brand, but it's like plaster. It's like clay, heats clay, but it's in a bigger form. Sells in the tubes, and it's a sells usually at the Napa. So that's actually sand material. It's very fine, and I use this product just to soften a little bit, and I will go ahead and show you how I eliminate these scratches and turn into this where there is no scratches, and all is about 2 minutes. We start with adding a little bit of this component, and then rub it around everywhere where you see lots of scratches. They just like all over, from here all over inside. There's no way you can remove them. Then I use this cinder block. It's actually a piece of the cinder block, and you're applying on it. You can start feeling that some of this is attaching to the vehicle. So it's because it's can go like this. It's just kind of sticking out a little bit. So as you can see, the colors become more of a brown. Next, so material is going to be just like this. It's all bad looking kind of one. I'm gonna use the new one, and you just simply start polishing. The result right away. Now we're going to zoom in a bit. You're not just filling holes. What you actually do is, I'm gonna use my old one. You're actually filing them as well as the filling them. It might take more than 2 minutes. Depends on how much force you put into it. If you think you need a little bit more of that material, then you can apply on it. Remember, it's like a sandpaper, very fine. I don't even know the number, probably 5,000. Then I'm use my microfiber cloth. And right now, after a couple of minutes, I haven't done any sides. I'll share the result. Not sure if it's possible to see. It is completely all the scratches eliminates. As you can see, there's a little bit on the side over here when we haven't done work. But it's all gone. Again, for the product, I'm using this sander brick. You can find this in a Napa. and I use this product, and I'm always doing this. This is I use for different purposes. This is can basically polish everything. It's more for the rough purposes, but it can polish everything. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Enjoy the day. Hope this will help a lot of you. Real polish. And get all the scratches out.